In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and customize an invoice in QuickBooks Online. So it is fast, simple, and professional. So first, make sure you log in your QuickBooks Online account in their official websites. And then from the left menu, click the sales and then go to the invoices. So in here, click the new invoice or create invoice button. And in here, you'll need to fill out the details like choose your customer name or choose your customer and then set the invoice date and due date and then add products or services and then enter the quantity rate and tax if applicable. So to customize the look, you can click the customize at the bottom and choose a template style. So you can change colors, fonts, and even add your company logo. So you can also add custom fields like PO number or notes if needed. So when you're ready, you can click save and send to email to your customer or just save and close to send it later. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.